Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 25-foot extension cord. This is going to be a 1-month review video. So let's get into it, and let me show you all the features that this product has. A nice extension cord. It has the outdoor covers for it. So when you're not using it and it's outdoor, you can just cover this up and it makes this waterproof. It brings 3 different female ports right here. So you can plug 3 different devices in there, and then it has the main one here. This is a 15A gauge wire. It's weather resistant, and I like how if you want to hang this, you could just hang this on the wall, so that way this is not on the ground. So you can see here's the extension cord. Every plug is spread out 2 feet from each other. So this is great because you could plug different things in while using the same extension cord. So say that you're doing a job outside and you need to cut your wood here. I have my jigsaw that's plugged into this unit. And then over here, I have my drill. So I could bring this all the way over here 25 feet. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can get this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 25-foot extension cord. I like how it has the covers for the plugs right here, just so that way when you're not using it and it's outside. So this makes it water resistant. I like how the plugs are every 2 feet, so it gives you the actual space to use it in different positions, and I like the thickness of the wire. Thanks for watching.